For example, in Tai Chi, you don't move your hand. You move with your whole body, your hand. You're all into it. Fight for your joy. I love to do this. In that moment, you dipped into the Ganga of Shakti when you were passionately involved with something.
How do you protect your energy in a relationship?
You have to give yourself the greatest gift. Stand for yourself. Don't expect anybody, any organization to stand for yourself. Till you do not love yourself, you cannot give love to others. Till you are not creative within yourself, you cannot create a future for yourself.
So, Satya ji, अगर हम manifestation की बात करें, and you know that again is this new buzzword.
लाइफ कह रही है अगर तू गार्डन बनाएगा ना तो मैं तेरे फुल सपोर्ट करूंगा. समझ रहे हो? गार्डन विल फीड मैनी, फ्रिज विल फीड ओनली यू.
Life is not destined, nothing is written.
If there is no time, destiny implies time. We call it Brahma, who is constantly inventing and creating. A presence has a vibration. That vibration we call Anhatanad. But there is something in you which is neither stillness nor movement. It's not cancelling the duality, but containing the both. That's what spirituality is. Spirituality is not becoming still. Om is the light. It's the sound spread over. Have you known any moment when there is no sound in your life?
So, अभी आप बात कर रहे हैं, like I kind of feel कि वो it's coming from अंदर से. I don't think कि वो it's not coming ऊपर से नीचे.
Yeah.
It's like जो आपकी feeling आ रही है, and I, at least for me, I can feel that energy almost कि
There is a mantra for Kartikeya in South. It's called Om Vachat Bhuve Nama. That which is speaking. That which is speaking, it doesn't speak only in the head. It speaks in your whole system, and that's how it's saying. That's what I'm teaching. That if, for example, in Tai Chi, you don't move your hand. You move with your whole body, your hand. You're all into it. You're fully on fire. और वही आनंद है. Because when I am one with the body, I will feel I am one with the cosmos also. My movement will be arising from the total energy. अभी fragmented energy है. Because once your energy is activated, once you become total, you will feel very passionate about everything. And वहीं पे barriers हैं. You will feel alive. Now कहते अब इसका क्या करें? मैं कहता हूँ नाचो. नाच तो रहे नहीं, ध्यान किए जा रहे हो. वो शक्ति नाचना चाह रही है भाई. वो कहते हैं enlightenment कब होगी? Enlightenment तो हो ही आप.
passion, and so I'll tell you my perspective कि lot of things, और बच्चों के साथ जिसके साथ मैं काम करती हूँ, आप बहुत पैशनेट हो जाते हो किसी चीज़ के साथ, उसके साथ एक फियर ऑफ फेलियर आ जाता है कि मैंने इतना आई पुट माई सेल्फ आउट देयर, मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, एंड व्हाट इफ आई फेल, एंड इफ यू फेल देन दैट ऑल्सो क्रिएट्स अनदर बैरियर कि आई पुट माई सेल्फ आउट देयर, मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, मुझे इसका फल नहीं मिला, तो द नेक्स्ट टाइम you're even more afraid and you keep holding that back. So लगता है कि या तो आधे मन से करो, but really this sense of failure then prevents you from really being out there fully.
जो कृष्ण कह रहे हैं ना अर्जुन से, जो एंगल कोई मेंशन नहीं करता, the very action is reward. That's what it means to do it with passion. You loved doing it, now you don't care because you're busy doing another thing which you love. Your passion reflects as a result, not your expectation. In that moment, you dipped into the Ganga of Shakti when you were passionately involved with something. You don't care for result. It's just mental idea. There is the result. Result will happen as part of the consequence. But because we live into the world of that is acceptable, that is not acceptable, वहीं पे सारी गड़बड़ है. पूरा पॉइंट ही आप देखो, नाम जप में क्या है, तंत्र में क्या है, एवरीबॉडी इज सेइंग कि वही चल रहा है, उसमें डूबो. तो आपका कर्म शुड बी योर ऑफरिंग टू लाइफ बाय एंगेजिंग टोटली. आपका नुकसान कैसे कर सकता है?
आप काम कर रहे हो, आप जॉब कर रहे हो, जॉब से निकल गए, उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हो जाएंगे. हाउ आर यू डीलिंग विद दैट फेलियर? लाइक व्हाट हैपेंस कि आप अपना 100% दे रहे हो, आप 100% इंगेज कर रहे हो, आप एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, यू डोंट क्लियर इट, लाइक यू आर गिविंग योर 100%, लेकिन जो रिजल्ट है, रिस्पॉन्स है, वो नहीं आ रहा है. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दैट्स द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ कि मैं तो पूरा करूंगी, लेकिन जो मुझे चाहिए या जो मुझे चाहिए टू कीप स्टेइंग इन दैट, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट.
You see, if we look at it scientifically, there are many things engaged into this. What people call 100% दे रहे हैं, it is not really 100%. Their expectation is driving it. If I am doing this, then I will be getting it. Same with name chanting. कि if I say कि मैं इतने करोड़ बार करूंगा तो राम जी दर्शन देंगे. पॉइंट ये है, पहली बार में ही बोला राम जी हैं, तुमने सोच लिया कि तब होगा. Now another thing is, when you are doing anything totally not bothering of the result, your action is creating another cosmos, another result into your life. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, मैं कर तो ये रहा हूं पर एक मेंटल इमेज को भी प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूं. तो जो शक्ति मैनिफेस्टेशन बनने वाली थी, वो शक्ति आपकी माइंड गेम बन गई. समझ रहे हैं? मैंने एक काम किया, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई एम फैंटेसाइजिंग ए फ्यूचर. So my energy is not fully, what you say, activating the consequences. It is canceling them also with doubt, with fear, with what if, and that Shakti will also manifest. अगर मैं सिर्फ कर रहा हूं और कुछ नहीं, in that very doing is a cosmic movement. सूफी कहते हैं, मैं माही दे नाल नाल, माही मेरे नाल नाल, बाकी कुछ और मैटर नहीं करता. एक बात मैं बताऊं, which is kind of connected to this. लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि how I want to feel after 10 years. If, for example, how you want to feel becomes your prior thing, then whatsoever is needed for that, life will give you. But हम सोचते हैं अगर इतना पैसा आ जाएगा तब I will be happy. It's a abstract idea. Life doesn't believe into abstract ideas. And if you are doing an action, अभी मोस्टली लोगों के जो टोटलिटी के जो एक्शंस होते हैं, दे आर लाइक रेफ्रिजरेटर, कि मेरे फ्रिज में फ्रूट आ जाए. लाइफ कह रही है अगर तू गार्डन बनाएगा ना तो मैं तेरे फुल सपोर्ट करूंगी. समझ रहे हो? गार्डन विल फीड मैनी, फ्रिज विल फीड ओनली यू. सो यू आर स्टीलिंग फ्रॉम लाइफ विद योर सो कॉल्ड हार्ड वर्क. इट इज अगेंस्ट द लॉज ऑफ द कॉस्मोस. यू डू नॉट मैटर, व्हाट मैटर इज व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन नाउ. एंड उसमें अभी सन रिजल्ट सोच रहा है, पर रिजल्ट हो रहे हैं. Because that is the nature of energy. Any energy to put out, it will create. But वो create इसलिए नहीं कर पाती क्योंकि हमारा mind steals from it, starts to play its psychological havocs and start to manifest them.
सो सत्या जी, अगर हम मैनिफेस्टेशन की बात करें, एंड यू नो दैट अगेन इज दिस न्यू बज़वर्ड कि सब बोलते हैं आप मैनिफेस्ट करो, वो काफ़ी इनवर्ड लुकिंग है कि मुझे एक पार्टनर चाहिए, मेरे को लाइफ चाहिए, मेरे को जॉब चाहिए. सो इज व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ यू नो ब्लैक मैजिक मैनिफेस्टेशन? ये सही है, नहीं है? कैसे सोचना चाहिए इसके बारे में?
So you are putting it is a black magic. Desire means telling life that it is wrong. You are telling it what to give you.
या
पहली गलती वहां पे हो गई. ठीक है, लोगों को प्रेम तो चाहिए, पर आर दे इक्विप्ड टू गिव एंड रिसीव लव? वो कोई नहीं पूछता. इफ आई वॉन्ट लव, आई हैव टू स्टार्ट बिकमिंग लविंग. हम भिखारी की तरह तो जा रहे हैं, दो भिखारी खड़े हुए हैं, गिव मी लव, गिव मी लव. हम भिखारी की तरह करियर में भी जा रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट बिहेविंग लाइक रॉयल बीइंग्स दैट इट्स आवर कॉस्मोस. व्हाट आई कैन ऑफर टू लाइफ because it has given me so much. From that attitude, ठाकुर जी जो है ना, वो जो बिग बॉस, it becomes interested into you. कि ये भीख नहीं मांग रहा. राजा को राजा ही पसंद आते हैं, दोस्ती उसी से होती है. हम भिखारी की, अरे प्रभु जी कब कृपा करोगे? कृपा तो हर समय हो रही है.
आप उसको अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर रहे.
और in your circumstances, your creativity, your good fortune is there, but you have social ideas. What is good fortune? What is you expect from life? Otherwise, If you are totally there, as I say to people, the difference between a genius and a simple person, genius sees more details. नॉर्मल पीपल जो जनरली देख ले, जीनियस होगा ना आपका पूरी डिटेल देख लेगा, कैसे बैठते हो, क्या है। उससे आई एम वेरी मच बट इससे एफिशिएंट इन लाइफ। अभी बहुत सारी चीजें, सेब तो रोज गिर रहे थे, न्यूटन ने नोट किया क्यों गिर रहा है। सिमिलरली अनदर एग्जांपल दैट यू आर लॉस्ट इन ए स्ट्रीट, आपको पता नहीं अगले मोड़ पे क्या आना है, बट सडनली इफ यू आर ऑन ए ड्रोन you can see the map of the whole city. So we are desiring from a very limited perspective what we are trained to do. But once you start to go deep into your action, that's why we call her Vidya Saraswati. Saraswati is not some information. When you are in deep in action, it starts to take over your life. You will have idea, maybe I should drop this course and do this. But you have to trust it. You see, everybody is designed uniquely and for their prosperity. Like ants are designed to prepare for what is coming. It's not something of their ambition or desire. Similarly, each human is designed, but each human is trying to be that specific corporate employee or have money or so. That is not design of life.
बेसिकली इंस्टा हम अपने एक्शन से नहीं सोच रहे हैं, we're not, हम
We're thinking on the result of that.
yeah, and we put it in our thought, we put it in our mind कि मेरा फ्यूचर ये होना चाहिए, मुझे ये विजन चाहिए, एंड आई वुडंट इवन से विजन, जो मेरा गोल है उसको मैंने ग्लोरीफाई कर लिया है विदाउट एक्चुअली नोइंग और फीलिंग कि मुझे चाहिए भी या नहीं, बट इट्स द राइट थिंग टू डू, सो आई एम ब्लाइंडली फॉलोइंग इट.
एक मैं यहाँ पे एक clue for people that any idea which is positive, which is constructive for your life, you will feel it in your whole body. It may not feel psychologically right, but in your body you feel, you know. Bashar, for example, he keeps on saying the channeling the higher wisdoms, do everything where you have passion. This is not a job, this cosmos. It's a movement of passion. It's movement of ras. जहाँ पे रस है, your genius comes out. और जहाँ पे रस है, you don't care about the future. And cosmically, you got only present moment. अगर present में, if you become master of present, means enjoying what you're doing, everything will start serving you. Abhi, you are serving your desires, fed in by parents, by society, and you have, everybody is a somebody's slave. But once you say ki, I enjoy doing this, I will just do this. That very gesture is the first gesture of true spirituality, true devotion. Not temple, not puja, not anything. This life wants to express like this. I honor it and you start to flow. वहां पे तभी कहते हैं ना कि it needs a lion's heart to follow the God. Because वो कल नहीं देगा आपको, देगा सब कुछ पर कल नहीं देगा वो, और हम कल मांग रहे हैं। सीधी सी बात है कि यू आर नॉट अप्रिशिएटिंग व्हाई आई एम गिविंग यू नाउ एंड यू से कल ये कर देना, वो कर देना, आज से गो टू हेल्प, और वहीं पे हम हैं।
हमारे को कल वो दे दो अभी के लिए। गुरुजी, जैसे हम ये बोलेंगे कि आई वांट टू लिव माय नाउ, कि मेरे को बड़ा मजा आ रहा है तो मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, देन स्टैंडर्ड रिस्पॉन्स इज यू आर सेल्फिश एंड यू आर बीइंग जज्ड कि तुम तो बहुत सेल्फ सेंटर्ड हो, एंड देन देयर इज दैट प्रेशर ऑफ सोसाइटी कि तुम तो केवल अपने बारे में सोचते हो, यू ओनली थिंक अबाउट योरसेल्फ.
Who is not thinking only about themselves? You think your parents think about you? Father wants you to be a doctor or something. It's his desire imposing on the daughter or the son. बेटे को तो कोई पूछा नहीं कि भाई तेरे को क्या बनना है, वो होता है प्रेम। सेल्फिशनेस होती है कि पेरेंट्स टेक चिल्ड्रन, नॉट ऑल बट मोस्ट ऑफ देम, एज देयर इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर फ्यूचर,
एज द लेबल कि बच्चा अच्छा करेगा तो
मेरा
मेरा नाम
pension is
बढ़ेगा.
fixed.
जी.
You know, essentially it's about your survival. एक तो वो हो गया। आपको क्वेश्चन क्या था फिर से?
आई एम सेइंग कि अगर आप अपने लिए कुछ करने लगते हो
हाँ।
तो देन यू आर कंसिडर्ड सेल्फिश.
Till you do not love yourself, you cannot give love to others. Till you are not creative within yourself, you cannot create a future for yourself. जब तक आपकी you, it's like saying your fire is burning, that means you're selfish. If I am burning, that's why I'm able to give love to you, because I'm feeling good. So I say, come, sit. Hey, how are you doing? I have this idea. You say, wow. But you want to own it. You want other to put their fire off and start to serve you. You see, Kaivalya, for example, which they say in Jainism,
जी
it is purest form of selfishness. Only I exist. When you are, जैसे इस्लाम में खुदा कहते हैं, means खुद, that which is खुद. उस खुद, everything starts from the seed. Everything moves from seed outward. और उसको हम selfish बोल रहे हैं. We think कि no function from this narrative.
जी
Because parents ने sacrifice किया है, they expect you to also sacrifice your joy. True warrior, true spiritual is who stands for the joy, then you stand for life. Not who stands for, अरे हाँ ये तो चलता है, compromise करना पड़ता है. नहीं करना पड़ता. देखिए, if I compromise in a relation, I become dukhi, I become down. I will take revenge when you will be happy. This is seen so commonly. अगर if I support my joy, I will provoke your joy.
Right.
If somebody cancels my joy, I let them do that. This is the real battle. हाँ, नहीं कि parents गलत है, वो गलत है. Fight for your joy. कि I love to do this. I have 1 or 2 students. In the beginning, when they came, they were glowing when they were coming on the classes and all that. Then, according to their father, they started to do, or parents, they started to do some coursing. And I was shocked to see their faces have lost their vigor. They're looking tired, no more glow in the eyes, fulfilling parents' dreams. This is so much dominant, especially in Indian culture. I can see, hundreds of people, I can see behind it at the parents' pressure,
जी
which is destroying. They never live their youth in joy. Then that becomes fantasy in middle age. That becomes sexual contortion in the more future age. They never lived their energy. They never celebrated their energy. They never expressed it. Mothers, too protective about child, suffocates the growth of a child for rest of his life. वो बच्चा कुछ करने से पहले सोचता है, मम्मी की एनर्जी मत कर, कुछ हो जाएगा. That person can never grow. Parents should, नहीं बेटा जाओ और करो, चोट लगी कोई बात नहीं, और खतरे लो. You're creating then lions. We're creating rats. Give me safe a job, then it's fine. I'll be on internet watching pornography and looking for some girl, and then her also I will torture and we'll get married. There is a fire way and there is a shadow way. Fire way is the independence. You are relying on yourself, and people do not like anybody who relies on themselves. उनको सबको torture किया जाता है. If I am dependent on you, you will like me because you are needed. But when you are not needed, we want people to become our slaves. And because we are slaves, we are not encouraging youngsters, children, or people. Like there are new systems where they're exposing children to every kind of activity. And then they notice where a child is flowing. And that's what they focus on and make them grow into that.
सत्याजी दिस इज लाइक गोइंग ऑन दिस पेरेंट टॉपिक मतलब हमारे पास इतने बच्चे आते हैं लॉट ऑफ यंगस्टर्स मुझे ये लड़की पसंद है लेकिन मम्मी पापा को नहीं पसंद व्हाट डू आई डू मुझे घर छोड़ना है काम करना है लेकिन पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं कि उनको कौन सपोर्ट करेगा एंड देयर इज दिस सेंस ऑफ गिल्ट कि यू नो उन्होंने दे हैव रेज्ड मी उन्होंने इतना सपोर्ट किया है सो इंटरनली यू आर वायर्ड टू से कि नहीं आई नीड टू डू और आई नीड टू फुलफिल माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बैक एंड वो एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में फंस जाते हैं कि मैं वो करूँ जो पापा मम्मी बोल रहे हैं या वो करूँ जो मैं कर रहा हूँ और अगर मैं अपनी करूँगा तो फिर मैं क्या उनको आई एम लेटिंग देम डाउन इज दैट समथिंग कि जो मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था फिर भी मैं कर रहा हूँ.
There's one suggestion I give to most of the youngsters. There's one beautiful technique which one Buddhist guru said that first doing your breathing, see yourself as a 5-year-old child. How you were innocent, running around, jumping around and all that. Do that for a week. Now see your father and mother as a 5-year-old child. So he's breaking that archetype image of father, how we see him. We don't see him as a human. I am saying this, once you are onto that ground,
जी
then you talk to another human being, not to your father taking permission, not to your mother. Say, I am a human being, I love you, but if I am not able to do what I want to do, I will hate you. Do you want my hate, or you want me to marry that woman or not to marry that woman? You have to be, you see, dialogue is not aggression. But when dialogue is kept inside and explodes into disasters, divorce is a pent up of 3 years of tolerance. But if you say whenever the misdeed is done that I do not like this, divorce will not happen, dialogue will start. अभी पेरेंट्स से डायलॉग करना जरूरी है कि talk to them. You see, children go into their archetype of children game. My father won't agree. You are a grown person. You have to talk to another person and talk honestly like a friend. This, till you do not initiate this dialogue, there is no hope for social system. And you have to say to them directly, I think that you are being selfish. Let me make my mistakes. Maybe this woman is wrong. Let me make my mistakes. And show them examples how these murders are happening. But parents, chosen boys and girls are killed by their spouses. Because there is nothing, and they had so much fantasy from internet. Suddenly like, ye mili hai mere ko. And of course, you are going to break that. So dialogue has to be there. And you have to stop looking at your parents as a child who has all the answers. That was okay as a child. But you have to also realize, my father is stupid also. It's not wrong, you know. This is what you have to see human as a human. He has his repressions. He has his frustrations which he wants to fulfill through me. And you don't have to compromise there. Life is not battle, one day you will have Mahabharat. Life is every day you have to kind of stand for yourself. If you develop this habit, others will not even say it then. कि नहीं ये नहीं सुनेगा. क्योंकि आप सुनते हो, तो वो और चढ़ते हैं. This is the danger of doing one compromise. You're training the other that you're willing for compromise. छोटी सी बात पे चाहे लोग समझे पागल है थोड़ी, ये बड़ी थोड़ी mental है. It's good to be mental like that than to compromise, you know. Immediately point out that why did you say it like that? Why you want me to feel guilty if I am in love with the woman? And then if things comes to, you know, worse, I don't see both of you happy. You're always bitching. I don't want to live this. Maybe I will not marry. I will live with a man or a woman. It is for the sake of life, not for sake of somebody's mind fuck. Essentially, we are compromising a love of life for somebody's mind fuck. They are raping you by telling you not to love. There's nothing wrong with loving a woman, then losing her after 1 year. It's fine, but you lived a love. It made you better human being. But you did not love. You spent 10 years frustrating, bitching, pornographing, and this and that. You got worse than where you were. Value the life where you are before you value the society. Now, if I say such a thing, then you're teaching people indulgence. Indulgence is done by people who did not live. When you really live, you don't care about all the indulgences because you are really enjoying your being you. That is the greatest respect to Shakti, to this life, to Ram, to Krishna. This Vartaman, this present is what we owe everything to. Not some shadows of social that aita karna chahiye, ye hoga. But for that, you need to first, it's not a philosophy I'm saying, you need to come from a fire. आग से कोई पंगा नहीं लेता.
सत्या जी एक ना कॉन्सेप्ट एंड आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ एक गुड गर्ल गुड बॉय का एक कॉन्सेप्ट बनाया हुआ है कि अगर आप ये चीज़ें करोगे तो आप अच्छे हो, यू आर अ गुड पर्सन, यू आर अ गुड सन, यू आर अ गुड वाइफ. एंड हम इतने अटैच्ड हो जाते हैं उस आइडिया में कि हम उस टिक बॉक्स में लग जाते हैं एंड वी रिप्रेस जो हमें शायद करना है इन द आइडिया ऑफ द ग्रेटर गुड. बट फिर वो खुंदस अपने अंदर we keep building that up, जो शायद बाद में कभी निकलती है in our action and reaction, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो निकलेगी. It will come out in the way we are treating maybe our kids, our relations, boss. हर जगह फिर वो आपकी, because आपने you didn't speak your truth
Yeah.
when you had to or what you needed to. And I guess even within relationships हम लोग ये बहुत करते हैं कि हम compromise करते हैं और ये dialogue चालू नहीं करते हैं. Even if it started, the person doesn't accept my true self. How do you really get rid of that fear?
For that, you have to understand that life is insecure. Security is just an illusion. Even if you make things secure around you, that has happened to you now. There is one very important point which is because it raises its heads here and there whenever when I'm interacting with people or even here. Everybody is afraid to start a dialogue. They can either bitch or they can reject the person.
Right.
But they will not say, look into the eyes. The danger is, if I come to you with a complaint, I feel that you did this wrong to me. The danger is there. Maybe you will make me see I am wrong. That I don't want. So I want to sit in my space and judge you. But the real dare is dialogue, not some battlefield, not some climbing the mountains. Real danger, exposing yourself. Because in dialogue, you're exposing yourself. Like, I am hurt by what you said. And that sometimes changes relations dramatically because other feels I am reaching that person. What is a lack of dialogue? That you both are into your own private worlds, and here is it's throwing words at each other. And you get accustomed, and then a trend or a mantra happens where you every day, hello, I love you, and this and that.
और
But
अपने
no,
माइंड में आप सेफ, यू फील
हाँ.
सेफ कि कोई मतलब सब कुछ ठीक है. हम मतलब
देखो जितने भी लोग जिन्होंने who has contributed to the culture, they took risk, cracked the norm, did something new, and they suffered for it also. Which I keep on saying, it's better to suffer for your own gesture of sincerity than to suffer for a compromise. Suffer you will, you see. Suffering will happen. Either you suffer in compromise or by taking your own risks. At least, you see, why it is safe to suffer in compromise? You can blame others. I am the holy one, I am misused,
I
No.
can be the victim.
The moment you offered your energy to the other to misuse, you are the sinner. It's not your property to offer to others. It's lives. And it's asking you to sing my song, which is you, original. Don't compromise it. That is the true spirituality. So that is one thing. Dialogue is not about who is right, that is argument. Who is right? Dialogue is about what is right. I want to sit with you and talk to you. I understand you said this, but I feel hurt. Let's now see what will be the right thing. Not you are right. Mostly relations end upon who is right. Nobody dares ki, yes, I think you're right here. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. Relation has evolved. You feel heard and other responded to you. But this has to be a practice everywhere. If you feel somebody is, why you're getting angry about this? हम कहते हैं पागल है ये. No,
बात करो.
बात करो. And this is one of the essential teachings that wherever you see something wrong, it's your responsibility from life. If you see it, that means you have to speak about it.
You have to.
You have to. Means I'm not saying that in that sense ki you see a gangster trying to kill and now you interfere. I am talking here normal that
क्या आपको injustice दिख रही है, आप you have
injustice,
to.
let's say in relation with parent, get into habit of opening a dialogue. That I have no problem following you, I love you, but I have my inspirations also. My relation with my father ended when I said to him that you don't care about what my dreams are. He said, fuck your dreams, I don't care. That day my relation ended because now how I can respect such a person? But if he said, okay, what is your dream? There he is also willing to let go his idea of me and supporting my dream. तो वहां पे आपको, that's where I said life is a chain. When you start a dialogue, you will know whether this person is worth having your energy of dialogue or not. And if you see there is no opening, walk out. If people take enough risks and stand for their life, I tell you, maybe society will not stand for you. Life will fully stand for you. It will show you ways because you have now connected with Shakti. Fire is a rebellion. That's what, like,
बट हम डरते हैं, राइट? बट वे स्कैर्ड ऑफ स्टैंडिंग, मतलब वे स्कैर्ड ऑफ टेकिंग आवर ओन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, वे स्कैर्ड ऑफ वॉकिंग आउट, वी आर स्कैर्ड कि अच्छा अगर ये नहीं हुआ या ये रिलेशनशिप ब्रेक हो गया या ये जॉब नहीं हुआ तो क्या होएगा, एंड दैट सेंस ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी कीप्स अस फिक्स्ड टू आवर इश्यूज एंड प्रॉब्लम्स, या फिर हम एस्केप ढूंढते हैं. आई थिंक इवन स्पिरिचुअलिटी, व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन, उसको एक एस्केप ढूंढ लिए कि कहीं किसी तरह ये इनसिक्योरिटी या ये सफरिंग खत्म हो जाए.
इसमें वो जो पॉइंट है क्रिएटिविटी वाला और एक्सपर्टीज इनटू द नाउ, because that's because the spiritual helps you to understand, not spiritual in the typical way. We trust mental formations more than अगर ऐसा होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा. We never trust कि me this energy जब स्थिति आएगी तब देखेंगे. You understand? But that is for our psychology, it's insecure. We want full plan before we take a risk. But life doesn't function like that. Life is a creativity. This idea is very false. There is predestiny. Nothing like that.
Life is not destined, nothing is written.
If there is no time, destiny implies time. We call it Brahma, who is constantly inventing and creating. Is it possible that it might be sitting here and feeling, if you allow it, it can give you a new expansion? But you believe that is also creativity of life. You believe there is a destiny, so it creates destiny for you.
How interesting.
Hmm.
That's
Because
explain
we
this.
are Brahmas, we are Vishnu, we are Shaktis. That is the thing nobody wants us to know. That this is your cosmos, this is your creation.
हम डेस्टिनी बनाते हैं क्योंकि वी बिलीव कि देयर इज डेस्टिनी.
Because you believe, that's why it is formed. What is destiny? You see, life is a discovery. ऐसा कह लो कि destiny is more like, which we call प्रारब्ध, क्योंकि you got 7 colors. अब इसको लेके बैठ के 7 colors हैं. But discovery, if I put combinations together, I can make infinite amazing of fine art paintings. Now, was this part of destiny? Let's say sitar. Every raga is into that sitar. But if you string it, it's just one sound comes. We think it's destiny for it to make sound, but somebody can create a raga out of it from one sound. Now you're entering the divine zone. So there is a limit of 5 elements and certain planetary conjunctions you were born in. But now the Brahma in you will play with them. People who are creative, they don't believe into destiny. If it is destiny, the painting will happen. No. You are using destiny of the color, destiny of your wisdom, and play with it. For example, I was telling one of the people that enlightenment kind of thing is not part of destiny because that is part of your nature. What is destiny in true sense? What we think? If I create a desire and shoot out a kind of expectation, I got bound by my desire. That is destiny.
तो सत्या जी जो आप बोल रहे हैं, व्हाट आई एम लिसनिंग इज ऑलमोस्ट कि वी ईच ह्यूमन बीइंग इज इट्स ओन डीएनए, और ईच ह्यूमन बीइंग इज देयर ओन इंस्ट्रूमेंट, राइट? लाइक आप सितार है, मैं सितार हूँ, वी आर ऑल डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स सिटिंग हियर. हमारी एनर्जी है दैट इज एक्चुअली डिसाइडिंग कि आप कौन सी ताल बना रहे हैं. I might decide to play a rock song, and it's our energy that is then producing or playing with this instrument to create different songs, music, genre.
Yeah.
And isko hum यूज़ कर सकते हैं अगर हम उसको इफ़ वी नो हाउ टू यूज़ इट। बट एट द अदर एंड ऑल वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज से कि अच्छा सत्या जी ने ये राग बहुत अच्छा बजाया एंड वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कॉपी
Yeah.
दैट एंड देन वी ट्राइंग टू compete विद ईच अदर कि किसने सबसे अच्छा बनाया वर्सेस थिंकिंग कि शायद हम एक ऑर्केस्ट्रा है।
When I came to Rishikesh, so they thought some Babaji. When I tell the shopkeepers I am a Gupta, they suddenly respect. आजकल की दुनिया को वैश्य ही चला रहे हैं, बनिए ही चला रहे हैं. Corporate, every leader is a businessman. But one thing to learn from Rajasthani Baniyas is that because they have scarcity, so they saved. So it's in their habit to save. That's why they're rich. Others are just spending off, then they end up being poor. But here the point, cosmic point is save but invest. Circulate the energies.
सेव एंड यू हैव टू गिव आल्सो राइट मतलब आप जो आपने मैनिफेस्टेशन का भी पॉइंट बताया
Here one point is I feel Sikhs are rich because they do langar.
हम्म,
Because they're giving free food to everybody, life gives them more. Because you're creating a circulation.
जो आपने मैनिफेस्टेशन का भी बोला आपने वही बोला दैट यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ गार्डन
Yeah.
नॉट कि आप
Their lives will
just-
support you full on. If you want to work with 100 people for the benefit of their life, you will find you can easily manifest because it's part of the flow. But if you say, mere paas aa jaye, then you are kind of creating a puddle by the side of the river.
हम वो सब ना फ्रिज के अंदर के लिए स्टोर
Fridge
करने
mentality है.
फ्रिज मेंटालिटी
अंदर चाहे सड़ जाए.
हाँ वो मेंटालिटीज मेरे को 1 लाख चाहिए मेरे को 10 करोड़ चाहिए बट लाइक नॉट कि मुझे क्या क्रिएट करना है एंड अगर वो माइंडसेट चेंज अगर आपको मैनिफेस्ट ही करना है
If you are creating, you are like a god. What we call destiny, behind it is our desire. What is behind desire is will. What is behind will is intention. Now, coming the real point, what is behind intention is creativity. And what is behind creativity is vibration of Shiva. Creativity is the Shakti. It's not a doing, it's your natural state to create. Abhi, when this creativity enters into society, we make it a will, intention, and we start to direct it. In that direction, you are creating also your destiny with what you desire. There is a story in Islam that somebody went to Ali and asked that if there is a free will or destiny.
Mm.
So Ali said, stand up. He stood up and he said, now lift one leg. He lifted one leg. He said, now lift the other. He said, I cannot. So he said, when you were standing on 2 legs, there was a free will. Once you make a desire, now you are bound by that desire. So if you create without desire, you are not bound by the consequence you create through their desire and forced to go into it.
वो आप अपने डिजायर को आपको ट्रैप कर रहा है
Desire is creating a new cosmos because you are a Brahma. We don't know that being Brahma means you have to live the full scale of it. You can manifest what you want, but when it comes to the negative side of that creation, you say, I don't want this. Let's go to some guru, how to get out of this. It won't do. You'll have to live the hell you created, the shadow side. And that's what it means, completing a karma. So when I say that you have a free will, means a will free from desires. Will engaged with now, pure creativity. You become abundance. You create abundance because of that. But we are like thieves in this life and cosmos. We steal from ourselves, from our own body for some mind fuck. We steal everywhere and we think if I take this, how to manifest a girlfriend? aa jayegi. But she's not all glorified Urvashi, Sundari. She's also a, whatever the word is, Diane, Chudail, the bitch. But you don't consider that. Dhoka ho gaya. Dhoka nahi hua. If I am aware of my bastard, I will appreciate other bitch also.
So in this example, Satya ji, instead of manifesting, तो क्या हमें desire नहीं करना चाहिए? We should just stay in the present और अपनी
इसमें
creativity को
समझना चाहिए, desire is a creativity. Through desire, what is creativity? A need to expand. ठीक है? हमें क्या लगता है कि मेरे पास वो जब वो मिल जाएगी ना, या मिल जाएगा, या पैसे आ जाएंगे, it's a replica for expansion, but it is not really an expansion. If you understand I need to expand, then you realize it's not the object of desire. That is just pretending your expansion. You long for expansion. What happens when you are in love? You expand as energy. You make it a marriage. You shrink. So, उसमें ये समझना जरूरी है कि your essential need is in this moment. If I keep expanding every day, prosperity, happiness will come and serve me, because you have become the cycle of life. Energy comes to you, it doesn't stop and creates a cancer into you, but it creates more. You become the favorite toy of the cosmos to play with.
लेकिन हम उसको बांधने की कोशिश करते हैं
हर कोई यही कर रहा है,
कि इसको अब मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ, इसको मैं
जेब
रिलेशनशिप
में डालने
में,
के लिए रख रहे हैं.
मैं काम में, आप उस हर चीज़ को and हम अपने आप को भी बांधते हैं एंड व्हाट वी डोंट रियलाइज इज आप किसी और को पकड़ते हो तो फिर आप भी तो कहीं ना कहीं
मैंने आपको पकड़ा, मैं भी तो बंध गया ना पकड़ने के साथ ही, है ना? तो ये नहीं समझते. See, a tyrant is very much dependent on the what the other side of tyrant is, the victim. And I have seen in relations, woman is pretending to be victim, but she is controlling the tyrant through her victimhood. You understand? He seems to be a tyrant, but he doesn't know, because he needs her for his tyrant attitude. So he's dependent on her also. There is a codependency. All these actors and politicians, they try to think that I am cool, but without people appreciating you, you are nothing. And artists who admit it, they are humble, that because of these people I am that. Real service is not being a king. Why sun is king? It is serving every particle of our life. That's why it is king. But our definition of king is ruling others. So when you start to serve life, you say, I don't care about myself, then it becomes responsibility of life to take care of you. When you say, I take care of myself, he says the fast book, go for it. But if you say, I don't care, I will give, I will share, I will create, I will not keep accounts, भंडारा खुल जाता है. इसको लंगर बोलते हैं. फिर वो तो देता है फिर. पर इसलिए नहीं करना कि और मिलेगा, क्योंकि bliss is in flow, not in having. और ये कोई नहीं सिखाता हम कि जब तुम फ्लो कर रहे हो ना, इट इज नॉट अबाउट गोइंग टू ए माउंटेन प्लेस, इट्स अबाउट द होल कार राइड
of getting there.
of getting there. I don't know if you guys have felt it, or once you reach a place you kind of say, अच्छा देखा इधर उधर, थोड़ा चाय वाय पी, खाना वाना खाया, एक दो दिन रुके. We love movement because Kali, the source of cosmos, is movement. How you know there is life? There is a movement. How you know somebody is alive human being? They are in movement. How you know somebody is dead? There is no movement. Shav with Shakti becomes Shiv. Shav is the dead body, Shiv is the
Energy.
sacred. So what I am teaching here is to people to see the sacredness of movement, not which movement. Any movement is a movement of the cosmos. Movement is Hanuman. That's why we call it Ramadutaya. Because I am moving, it means there is something which is moving through me. Otherwise, how I could move? That starts the bhakti. Not in the traditional sense that the chanting name and sitting in temple. Your very action. Kabir says, no, that before I used to chant Ram, ab mera simran Prabhu kare. Means he is chanting you into form. He is singing you into form. Through chanting, you come to know that it's not you chanting, it's his sound vibrating through you. तब तो फिर आप सेवा कह लो कि co-creating with the cosmos.
सत्या जी, हमने मूवमेंट की बात की, शिव शक्ति एंड बीइंग अलाइव इज मूविंग, लेकिन एट द अदर एंड हमने we've also tied down spirituality with stillness, कि अपने थॉट्स रोकें, थॉटलेस हो, डिटैच्ड हो। तो एक डाइकोटमी क्रिएट कर दी है हमने लोगों के दिमाग में कि टू बी अलाइव इज टू मूव, बट टू बी स्पिरिचुअल इज टू बी स्टिल।
There is one line in Bulle Shah. He says that neither I am fire, neither I am water, neither I am this, neither I am that. Then he says, na which bethan, na which pond. He says, neither I am stillness, nor I am a movement. Because when you talk of stillness, you have to bring in the movement. Duality, so-called duality. If you talk about movement, there is a context of filler. But there is something in you which is neither stillness nor movement. It's not cancelling the duality, but containing the both. That's what spirituality is. Spirituality is not becoming still. Spirituality is left hand and right hand. You thinking, am I a right hand or a left hand? Spirituality is to realize I am the one who has two hands. So that's what Advaita means. Even in India, when people talk of Advaita, they start to talk about body, the soul, the Brahma. If you really understand Advaita, this is body, this is the soul, this is the Brahma. That is the state. Why you think Meera, Tukaram, their bodies were not found? Because when you really live like that, then you realize everything is made of consciousness. So your body will just dissolve that zest, that passion, that it's Krishna only. Now Krishna has to comply. There's a Sasharir.
जी।
Means this body is made of light, is made of sound, is made of Shiva. How you can call it Maya? Maya is your expectations of future. Otherwise, there is no Maya. आद सच जुगाद सच, ऐसी भी सच नानक होसी भी सच. सच ही चल रहा है, वही भक्ति है कि अब आपके लिए वो चल रहा है. क्या मांगना फिर? उसके साथ नाचना हो जाता है. You have to dance with him. There is a beautiful thing which I said in previous interview also, that when you lie down and chant, he comes and sits and listen. When you sit down and chant, he stands next to you and listen. When you stand and chant, he dances around you. When you dance and chant, he hugs you. Means you become one with it. So when you are celebrating, singing, dancing, you are the sun which is nourishing the humanity. Planet is not existing because there are serious spiritual people. Planet is existing because there is a people celebrating this life.
आपके एक्शंस और आपके सेलिब्रेशन का ही रिस्पॉन्स आपको वापस मिलेगा। तो जो आप कर रहे हो दैट इज़ एट सम लेवल मिररिंग और एक्सपोनेंशियली इंक्रीजिंग और
There's another thing in this, that we blame evil outside, which destroys your spiritual side and all that. The whole story of Hiranyakashipu and Prahlad, when Osho was asked about it, he said that Puranic stories should not be taken as the real historical event. They are deep psychological and energetic events happening every day. When your Prahlad, when your aspiration or beautiful feeling for life comes, your Hiranyakashipu, the mind comes in, doubts it, tries to kill it. Let's compromise. This is untrue, that everything is divine. Actually, there is life, is this and this and that. So, demons are not outside. Your own mind is demon which keeps killing your softer song aspect of you. Make it a logical rant. So that is the real demon from the language, from the sound point of view. Asur means out of tune. Sur means divine, Deva, which is in tune with the now. When you are out of tune with the now, you are a demon. Now figure out how many demons exist. तो वो कहते हैं ना, there is a battle going on of asuras and devas.
That's in the
Right now, it is going on everywhere. Everybody is in internet, out of tune with the present. I'm not saying this out of philosophy. It's an experience. Why I'm afraid of talking to people. Everybody is pulling me into their story, which is out of tune with life. They want me to validate. And that is a suffering in relation. Everybody is pulling you into this. Come serve me with your energy. Nobody is saying, I serve you.
How do you protect your energy in a relationship? या if you're अगर आपको पता है कि someone's trying to pull you in negativity, तो आप कैसे अपनी energy protect करेंगे?
You have to give yourself the greatest gift. Stand for yourself. Don't expect anybody, any organization to stand for yourself. And your standing is not some political agenda. Your standing is, this is what I feel and I stand with it. And it has a power. It gives you a power. If somebody is trespassing, as I said, talk. Mostly people stop there because everything is done like,
सब डरते हैं कुछ बोलने
डरते
के
हैं
लिए।
जान के भी कि ये मेरा नुकसान कर रहा है, अगर दूसरे को भी पता ही कर रहा है, but it's being pretended. But once you get naked, other is forced to get naked or they will run away. That is why they say that demons run away when Hanuman chants Ram. What it means psychologically. When you bring thing to a light, you're exposing yourself and the other. So there you need to have inspiration, which gives you guts to stand for life which you are, not some part of a culture you are, That is Sanatan.
Not being defined by society rules.
Yeah.
And इसमें जो I think that I'm really taking away this concept of Hanuman and Ram कि आप ही हो, the deities is you. You know, your breath is Hanuman.
Hanuman. So, वही जो बात कि Shiva, they say is chanting Ram. Or the stupid argument on YouTube, internet. No. Shiva is greater than Ram. He cannot chant Ram. Shiva, this is all hypothetical, but it explains the point. A presence has a vibration. That vibration we call Anhatanad. That is what we call Shakti. It's not a doing, it's a vibration. That's why Krishna says, you are not a doer. Your action is a vibration. Now, can you separate Shakti or Hanuman or Shiv, the Ram? Can you separate them? My vibration is not separate from me, but we have divided Shakti and Shiva.
उसी का
Usi ki,
elements.
my hand is moving means I am moving. So Hanuman is movement of hand. But if you separated my movement as Hanuman and I as Ram, this is verbal game. So true sense bhakti is this movement is Ram, is Shiv. That begins the whole process of bhakti is Simran. Just remember this. Who is moving? Bas, no technique is needed. वो फिर खींच लेता है क्योंकि आप जुड़ना शुरू हो गए जो है, not जो होना चाहिए. You start to connect with जो है. So that's why in chanting also you come to a point you realize you are just a sound. Guru Nanak says, bin bolat meri birtha jani apna naam japayo. कि बिना कहे उसने मेरी दर्द समझ लिया and he made me chant his name. What it means? You realize if I am talking, it's not me talking, it's sun expressing. It's not my doing. समझ रही है ना?
The cosmos.
Is cosmos
जो आपको
playing?
play-
And I think I did this, what I can attract for me. What crap, पूरा धरती आसमान तुम्हारा है, मितवा सुन मितवा, तू है तो क्या गम है रे, धरती अपनी है अंबर अपना है, आजा रे. इनवाइटिंग यू हियर, आजा रे. यार हम ही हैं, क्या मांग रहा है, नाचते हैं, रास करते हैं. That is the point. Because we have made spirituality such a boring. तुम्हारी वासना गलत, तुम्हारा तक गलत, तुम्हारा ये गलत, तुम्हारा वो गलत. मेरा कब था ये? वही गुस्सा कर रहा है, वही संभोग कर रहा है, वही बच्चा बन के आ रहा है और मेरे को पाप दिलाए जा रहे हो. This looks like very, not very intelligent divine according to what people are saying. Point is, it's all that only. And that's what Aghor or Tantra means, that you honor every particle as expression of divinity. Then nothing is punya, nothing is sin. It's his movement. But when you say it's my good, then there is your bad also.
वो हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना चाहते।
वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते। हम गुड चाहते हैं अपना, बैड किसी और का।
Satyaj ji, I have a question. क्या ego, I mean, typically ego is something considered as wrong या गलत। ईगो की कुछ अच्छी बातें भी होती हैं, like is there a positive side to ego?
There are three aspects of ego: tamas, rajas, sattva. Tamas is which is withdrawn, which we call withdraw from life, indifference. Other is rajasic ego, which is pushing the life. Sattvic ego is a devotee's ego, because ego is like a tool which is needed to function as a center. Ego, what you say, the sattvic ego is a servitor of present. What is needed now, it does only that much. But our ego, which is demon, which uses this for future or cancels this because of past. बट जो सामने देख रहा है वो राम से मिल रहा है, और जो हुक्म है इस मोमेंट में कि बात करो तो बात कर रहा है, अगर बात नहीं तो चुप बैठा है। ये नहीं कह रहा कि मैं अब चुप हूं कि मैं बोला, तो वो फिर दिखता है कि नृत्य चल रहा है। तो यू हैव टू बी लिटिल बिट आर्टिस्टिक एंड एस्थेटिक, दैट see it as a being, it's dancing, it's not some technicality, shunya hai, and we have made spirituality a technicality, even God also a technicality, the divine, we call it Ishwar. Ishwar means Aishwarya, he's having fun, and who is serious,
We
not this.
we need to start playing with it, start playing with that dance.
Yes. You see, the Osho was once mentioning that when he became enlightened, he saw that he lost all sense of direction, but when he was eating food, he was just eating food. When he was looking, he was just looking. And in that, he realized anything you live totally with full reverence, you are freed from it. And why we have desire? We are not living actually totally. So if you can love other person so totally, that becomes your liberation and liberation of the other also. But we are putting conditions, binding them. So that is the tantra of life, that you are not using it for your pleasures. We are raping life, but very few are lovers. They are participating, giving back, celebrating its form, be it happiness or sadness. Both are welcome. फजल करे ते मकारी, सूफी से फजल करे, कि ब्लेसिंग भी कर रहा है और मकारियां भी कर रहा है मेरे साथ, और दोनों को वेलकम कर रहा है वो, कि वेलकम, तू कर रहा है ना, तू वेलकम,
ठीक है।
तो ठीक है. So that is true acceptance, not ki witnessing, watching. That is also a path, but you will have a very boring enlightenment.
Satyajit, I'm reminded of my kids, my son, my daughter. अब वो रोते हैं तब भी अच्छे लगते हैं, टैंट्रम करते हैं तब भी अच्छे लगते हैं, सुबह हग करते हैं तब भी अच्छे लगते हैं।
Yeah.
अगर ज़्यादा सीधे हो जाते हैं, मज़ा आता है,
हाँ,
इवन इन बच्चे
Spontaneity.
की या बच्चे की खेल-कूद में मज़ा आता है। सो बट इफ इट्स जस्ट फन, देन देयर इज़ नो जॉय, बट यू आर नॉट जजिंग योर चाइल्ड कि अच्छा आज बदमाशी कर दी, सो यू आर नॉट अ गुड पर्सन। लेकिन हम एक दूसरे को और खुद को काफ़ी जज करते हैं इन
You
दीज़
see, in
ट्रेंड्स।
Bhakti, they say that there are, Narad has given up few paths. You can reach through celebration, through singing, through tears also, through sadness also. Because each movement, कितने तरह की लहरें हैं, पर समुंदर हर लहर के नीचे है, अंदर ही है ना. तो ability to recognize the ocean behind every wave is what bhakti is about. Then you don't judge. कि जब वो खेला खेल रहा है तो आप कहते हैं मैं जानता हूँ. जब when Keshav Chandra, very famous logical person, came to prove to Ramakrishna there is no God, he welcomed him. Then he started to give him argument, and Ramakrishna started to get ecstatic. He said, you can't, मेरे को धोखा नहीं दे सकती तुम. You have come through him to prove to me, play games with me, because you have such a wisdom that just proves to me that you exist.
वाओ!
That only that can give such a beautiful logic to disprove itself also. See, that is devotion established into wisdom, not some belief. Appreciation of the beauty, the forms. Then you like, even tree can give you feel, oh my God, how this is possible? This is all what you see is formations of Om. Try looking at it like that, not like a light or landscape. Formations of Om. Om is the light. It's the sound spread over. Have you known any moment when there is no sound in your life? Existing here means to be in sound. When it is all heard together, that's what we called Om. Om Mani Padme Hum, which is on. जो इसमें जाता है फिर वापस नहीं आता, इतना आनंद है, वो कहता है क्या बकवास में जाना है, चल रहा है।
उसी में चले।
श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन